Well, hello everyone. Today our topic is we're looking at first section in Algebra 2, and it's on patterns and expressions. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we'll walk through the notes together. Okay, so you should be seeing my screen now, and we're on the first page of your notes, patterns and expressions. It says identifying patterns is an important skill in algebra. Identify the underlying structure of a group of numbers, a set of data, or a sequence of figures to express a rule describing the relationship. So you're really just looking at the pattern and you're going to use that to come up with a rule that describes the relationship between the items in the pattern. Okay, some of the vocabulary that we're going to look at. The first one is about it is usually a letter that can change or vary, and we say that that would represent a variable. The second one is a mathematical phrase that contains numbers and operational symbols, and we say this one is a numerical expression. The third one is a mathematical phrase that contains one or more variables. And the vocab for that is an algebraic expression. So, if it has a mathematical phrase with one or more variables, variables are usually a letter that can change or vary, we say it's an algebraic expression. If it's just a mathematical phrase with numbers and operation symbols, we say it's a numerical expression. Let's go to the next page. So here we have a couple of patterns that we want you to identify to be able to see what the rule is concerning this. So the first one says Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. Do you see what's happening in this pattern? If you say we're skipping a day, so it's every other day, then you're correct. So it means then that Tuesday, Wednesday, then we would have Thursday here. What about this one, number 2, January, April, July, October, and then it just starts over again. Now notice, it starts over with January, so it simply means that the next one would have to be April. This is red, blue, red, yellow, red, blue, so then it must be red, yellow. But we only asked to find the next one in the sequence, and that's going to be our ED. Let's search that. Okay, it says write the next number in each pattern. It says 2, 4, 6, 8, so we're going up by 2's, so this one should be 10. This is 6, 3, 0, negative 3. So what's the rule here? And then you're going to fill in that one. This one, what's the rule for this? And then you're going to fill in the box. It says using your vocab, write N if the expression is numerical, A if it's algebraic. Well, it has a letter, so it has to be algebraic. This one is just numbers and operation symbols, so it's numerical you will fill in number 9. Okay, so here we see a problem set that looks at a pattern. It's been graphed over here. So if you have 10 text messages, you're going to pay $3 for that. 20 text messages, $6. 30 text messages, $9. 40 text messages, $12. 50 text messages, $15. And then they put that in a table form for you. So we've transferred the graph to a table form. 10 is 10 by 30 cents. So you get $3, 20, and so on. So the pattern then is where each text message will cost you 30 cents. So if you send and receive 100 text messages during the month, then you owe your parents $30. Okay, so this one is same, very similar to one we just did. Here's the graph. But now notice your text messages are going to cost you more. It's probably a different plan. You know, we have all these different phone plans. So 10 text messages now cost $5. So what is the cost to send 10? We say the 10 text messages will cost us $5. 20 text messages will cost us $10. And 50 text messages will cost us $125. Okay, it says, what is the cost to send one text message? So we can use any one of these and set it up to find the cost of one text message. We're going to be setting up a proportion. Remember, proportion is where we have two ratios set equal to each other. So this is what your proportion is going to look like. 10 text messages cost us $5. So to send one, it's going to cost us 1 over x. Now we want to cross multiply whenever we have proportions. So we're going to end up with 10x is equal to 5. We divide both sides by 10, so we get 5 over 10, or 1/2. So really, the cost of one text message is going to be equal to 50 cents. How much do you owe your parents if you send 75 text messages? Well, since one is 50 cents, then 75 times 0.5 is going to give you $37.50. Okay. Wonderful. Well, that ends the lesson for today. And I hope this helps, and you can keep referring to this as you do the problems associated with this lesson. All right, any questions, please remember you can email me, and we'll try to answer your questions within 24 hours. Have a great day.